Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing 4 different looks with the Maybelline Nudes of New York palette. So let's just jump right into it.
touch, I forget all the endings inside my head, and I rise out of lies. Tonight we'll get there, back to heaven. Living with passion, I live with stars. I keep my head steady, but feet out of the ground. I like it lush, my lips so smooth. Baby boy, join me if you want to. We got jumpsuits in glitter and red, fabric breakers and puppies in bed. We got it all. Tonight we party all. We got it all. Yeah. If you ask, will I trust? I said maybe it's your call. Take a chance with this romance. I don't need lenses to see we're quite a catch. See, my love's a vacation. I've been good and patient, but becoming real good letting go. I can never fake this. I'm readers in the matrix. Now it's time for you to show. Living with passion, I live with stars. I keep my head steady, but feet out of the ground. I like it lush, my lips so smooth. Baby boy, join me if you want to. We got jumpsuits in glitter and red, fabric breakers and puppies in bed. We got it all. Tonight we party all. We got it all. Yeah. Sun aside, I see you shining there. The party starts, but we just don't care. Living with passion, I live with stars. I keep my head steady, but feet out of the ground. I like it lush, my lips so smooth. Baby boy, join me if you want to. We got jumpsuits in glitter and red, fabric breakers and puppies in bed. We got it all. Tonight we party all. We got it all. I'm so done with. I'm so done with. Oh, I'm so done with. I got tons of soul. I got tons of soul. True. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it. I'm so done with it. Each and week. I'm so done with it.
you enjoy multiple looks with one palette, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments which look was your favorite and what palette I should film next. If you are new and enjoy content like this, please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Mwah.
I'm so done with it. Each time we get, I'm so done. Each time we, I'm so done with it. Each time